Oh, I can see the doubt in those eyes.
Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button so you never miss out on a cool video like this one. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the full face of makeup using only my hands, no brushes, no nothing, no wands, anything. I literally applied mascara with my finger. So if you want to see how I did this beautiful look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, today we are going to be doing the full face of makeup using only my hands challenge. Just a quick disclaimer, I've already done this challenge, but when I was editing, I realized that one of the video clips of me doing very important things in the challenge got deleted somehow. So I'm doing it again, and it's gonna take me another hour, and yes, I'm totally so excited. The things I do for YouTube. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my hair up because this challenge can get messy and I just hate having my hair in my face in general. Ugh, my dark circles today are really bad, sorry guys. So I'm gonna prep my face with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Prep Spray. This might be cheating because it's a spray, but I don't know what else to do, and this is the only kind of primer I ever use, so I'm just gonna stick with it, okay? Sorry guys. Next, I'm gonna take my NYX Colored Correcting and Contouring Palette, and I'm gonna take the salmon color and put it under my eyes because I need to color correct these dark circles, which are really bad today because physics has just been stressing me the crap out. Like, physics sucks. Don't take AP Physics. Yeah, I'm only like 3 days in and it's already killing me. I usually do this step with my fingers anyways, so it's not too crazy different from my normal routine. And then I'm just gonna take my Hard Candy GLAMOFLAGE concealer to conceal all on my face. I usually apply this with my fingers and then I will go into a beauty blender to blend the rest of it out. In my first video, I attempted a cut crease. It wasn't that bad. It was just the fact that I didn't have lashes that just kind of made me look like a ghost. So I'm gonna do something different since I feel like I've already kind of done the cut crease. I think I'm gonna go for like colorful eyeshadow today. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, I just know it's going to be different than a cut crease, but still complicated. Oh, my face when I put on concealer is so gross, I'm like, ugh. And then I'm just going to conceal my birthmark over here. A lot of people think that I just haven't blended in my foundation or something. No, just a birthmark that I have on my chin. And then I'm going to pop some along my nose. We can highlight that baby. Okay, now I'm going to take my COVERGIRL translucent powder and I am going to use this to bake my under eyes mixed with some baby powder on top because this oxidizes awfully underneath my eyes just because that's the way it reacts with my concealer. Why am I still using it? I don't know. Oh, I hate how sticky this is, like, and it's just super orange. Like, I just get these really bad orange patches. And it's not that bad when I'm using like a beauty blender or like a powder puff, but with just my finger it just pushes the product in so much more, and so I just get these orange patches. I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't crease because you know I'm gonna wear this look all day. And then I'm gonna put some baby powder into my lid and put that right on top. I literally spent 10 minutes just putting on my bake. Usually I can just like slap that sucker on and we're good. Okay, I think my bake is done, so now we're gonna do eyebrows, which I hated doing last time and I'm gonna hate them just as much this time. I look like a sad clown right now, like. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger as a spoolie and try and get my brows to cooperate just a wee bit, because they don't cooperate even when I do use a spoolie. But so now I'm just going to take my NYX eyebrow gel in blonde. That is definitely drying out, so it makes it even harder to do this. And I'm going to get this on my nails and fill in my eyebrows. And yes, my nails feel disgusting when I do this, but things we do for YouTube, right? So we're going to try and get that precise line, you know? Gotta start out with that so we look extra fierce. What really sucks is my eyebrows just don't have a nice back arch, so I have to totally create those, and it's very difficult when you're just using your nail. This might be the most natural looking my brows ever look. Okay, where's the tail end of my brow? I don't know either, guys. Not bad, like, it looks kind of nice. I'm kind of digging it. Now, let's fix this one because this is like the ugly one that never wants to do what it's told. The good thing about filming this twice is that I'm way better at staying in frame this time. Oh no, what did I do right here? What happened? Oh my god, this brow looks so ugly. I'm so sad. You know, I'm not done. You gotta keep pushing. Okay, what is this freaking hair doing? Like, it's not helping anyone right there. Calm down, Jenny. You can do this. Oh. That ain't good. So I'm gonna take a bit of milk chocolate from my chocolate bar palette and I'm gonna go on top to see if we can, oh god, I'm just getting eyeshadow everywhere. Cute, whatever, it's fine. We still have concealer, I'm not giving up hope. I made these look good when I did it last time, I can do it now. Okay, let's get ready to conceal this. I'm scared. I make nice, sharp lines. Well, at least I have a really strong brow highlight. Oh no, I just got some in my hair. My brow hair, not my actual hair. But that might happen at some point in this video. Messed up the shape, part 2. I just need some patience. Because I feel like I have none right now. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. Let's try and fix this brow. I like forgot that this one was here and that it was tragic. And now I'm sad. I think this is about as clean and as sharp as I can make them. So I'm just gonna set the concealer on this side and then I'm gonna figure out what the heck I'm gonna do for eyeshadow. I'm gonna start out by taking what I believe is Soft Brown by MAC. It might be wrong. I'm going to just put this as my transition shade. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so hungry right now. And definitely pick up less than you think you need because pigmentation is going to be a lot better on your finger than it is on a brush. Okay, so I'm going for a purpley look today. So I'm going to take this deep purple shade from MAC. I don't know the shade, but hopefully I will have it on the screen by the time I edit this video. I'm just putting it right on top. And this purple is a little bit too muted for the look I want to go for. So I'm gonna go in to my Too Faced Power of Makeup palette and I'm gonna take the shade Wham Bam. It's already adding more life into my crease, I think. The hardest part for me is when I have to get into this inner crease area because it doesn't really get in there. It just kind of gets on my lid. Gotta blend out all these harsh lines. Then I'm gonna go in with Candied Violet from my chocolate bar palette and I'm gonna put that right on top to deepen my purple in my crease. And I'm only gonna do one eye on camera just because this takes so freaking long. Then I'm gonna take this gorgeous turquoise shade from MAC. I'm not sure the name of this one either. Hopefully I find it by the time I edit. And I'm gonna put this on my lid. I'm gonna try and make my crease kind of precise, but it's very difficult to do that. If this was a makeup brush, I would just like put a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush. Now I'm going to kind of fade my outer third with Wham Bam. And then we're gonna go in with Candied Violet again and deepen. Wow, this actually looks good, like heck yeah. I'm going back in with that turquoise shade, trying to intensify my color. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of NYLON by MAC just to make this shade a little more glowy because you see you just pop it on there and it's just like more reflective. Now I'm gonna try for eyeliner. So I'm gonna take this Madame Glam liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna put some onto my fingernail. So just press onto my lash line. This is actually working a lot better than I expected though. Wow. Okay, it's a little thick, but you know, oh, I did it. Y'all, what the heck? Okay, should I go for a wing? I'm saying this to the camera like y'all are gonna be able to tell me. If I ruin this with my wing, I'm gonna be so upset. Screw it. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this dry real quick. I cannot believe I did this wing. It's a little downward facing, but we're gonna add lashes, so it should be okay. Now I'm gonna apply lashes without using tweezers, and this is gonna suck. So I'm just taking these Kiss lashes in 03, and I'm gonna apply these to my eyes using Ardell lash glue. Oh, this is of course the lash for the other eye that I pulled off. I'll show y'all me putting the glue on my finger. This is so hard to show on camera. Okay. Now just gotta let it get tacky. Too late, I'm already tacky. That was not funny, but I like to act like I'm funny sometimes. I've actually applied lashes without tweezers before, so this isn't that bad. It's just like the fact that I'm not gonna be able to like curl my lashes or like blend very beautifully. Okay, while my glue finishes drying, I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. So let's just dust off the bake on this side, if it's even possible to dust this crap off. Oh, kind of taking off all of my concealer. I'll do the rest of this later. I really want to finish my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Wham Bam again. And we're gonna put this on the lower lash line. So for my inner corner, I just want to put a little bit of glitter in there to make this look even more fun. So I'm gonna take this beautiful glitter from the Too Faced collection with Nikki. It is in the shade Glitterally. And I'm gonna take a bit of the Shadow Insurance and use that to act as a base, like a glitter glue. Like I have actual glitter glue, but it's downstairs. Okay, inner corner. I'm just gonna take this Flower Mascara, which is my favorite, and I'm gonna put a crap ton of this on my finger and apply it to my lashes. I should have grabbed more dramatic falsies when I was at the store. Put on my lower lash line. Okay, that is it for my eyes. I'm gonna do this eye off camera, still using only my fingers, I promise. And then I will be back to finish off my face. Okay, let's dust the rest of this bake off. Y'all, I'm so proud of my eyes. They look so pretty. I'm gonna go in with a mix of Painkiller and Chocolate Soleil from my Power of Makeup palette to contour. Oh, that was way more pigmented than I was expecting. We look really muddy, but it's good. I was thinking that the face was going to be like the easiest, but it's actually turning out to be pretty difficult. And I have a really bad orange cast underneath my eyes, so that's just great. That was going to be the easiest because no one really sees it, right? Contour up the forehead a little bit. And then I'm just going to take Justify My Love and I Will Always Love You. Mix them together. Oh, way more than I wanted. Now I'm gonna contour my nose real quick. Gotta blend that nose contour real good. Oh, my nose looks nice. Now I'm just gonna highlight using NYLON from MAC. Ooh, wow, I have a lot on my finger right now. Woo! Yes, highlight, come through. Woohoo! Yes, NYLON by MAC. The single shadows are $6 now, so for real, if you want a really good highlighter, just pick up some of those and it'll end up like being just as good of a buy as this high-end. I'm just gonna take this DELLIUM Tools in the Nude Lip Crayon and I'm putting some on my finger. This is the easiest part of the entire thing, putting on lipstick. I love this color. I totally forgot how beautiful it is. So I'm just going to set my face, and same with the primer. I only use a spray to set like everyone else. So sorry if that breaks the rules. But I'm taking Fix Plus by MAC. Woo! Let's pop my hair down and admire my work. This is so much better than the first time that I did this challenge. Like, I would so wear this out, like just add a little bit more mascara. I'm so proud of myself. It looks so pretty. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to try this challenge. I tag all of y'all that are watching this to do it. It's actually way more fun than I thought it was going to be. That's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!